got tired of carrying this around. You know, a basic school bag looking like a school kid. I have another one right here. It's a basic leather bag. I really think, in my opinion, that this makes you look like a schoolboy. It makes you look like a boy. Subtract from your masculinity in some sense. It doesn't exude like confidence. Even when you carry them, for the most part, they're very not so comfortable. And they hold you back from a comfortable feeling when you carry them. Sometimes they don't even contain or hold the items that you need them to hold properly. We as people have the tendency to actually overload them. And when they're not tightly packed, they can be very clumsy because some of the pockets are empty. Let's say when you don't have a wallet on the wallet part, it could be very squishy, and there's so many reasons. When you put something inside and it's too heavy, they could start ripping apart. Like when you see the school kids with the heavy school books walking down the street and the strap of their bag is going through hell, and you can tell at any given moment it's gonna rip. These are some of the things that you have to worry about. So because of that, and also because I'm the type of guy that has come into this sense of style awareness, so I'm trying to wear something that I believe suits my image, my appearance. So because of that, I'm making a switch from these bags to something that I think is more suitable when I'm moving through society to give me that ultimate appearance. So today I have a bag here that I bought, so I'm gonna be opening this up with you so that we could go through it together. It's a very nice leather bag, and I think this would be more comfortable, would appear more masculine, it would be less clumsy, and not only that, it will go the extra length in actually accommodating the things that I carry around on a daily basis. With that said, let's check it out. This is the bag. I bought it from eBay, and I already cut it open. So we're just gonna pretend like I just opened it because I thought it was gonna be very complicated doing it while recording. This is the razor blade that I cut it open with, and this is the rest of the bag. So now we're gonna take the bag out from the nylon, put that to the side, and this is how the bag is packaged. This is not any specific brand, it's just a nice, genuine leather bag that I'm gonna be using. You could carry this when you're wearing a suit, you're wearing jeans, you could look rugged, carrying it, classy, well-dressed, put together, suited and booted, carrying this. So it doesn't matter, it always accentuates your looks. So let's open this up. So this is what the bag looks like. This is what it looks like. Hope you could get the sense of quality. Okay, so now I'm gonna unfold it. There's no specific brand. It's just something I saw. I just was looking for some genuine leather. So this is what it looks like. See, it's more like an overnight bag. It's an overnight bag. Very nice leather, feels very, I don't know if you can see the texture, feels so good to the touch. Very tactile, very nice. And over here, one of the things that attracted me to this bag is the fact that over here in this corner, let's say you're traveling, you could actually compartmentalize your shoe, an extra pair of shoes in here. There's an extra compartment in here for a pair of shoes. This was one of the biggest selling points for me. This was what attracted me to this bag, and this was one of the biggest reasons why I bought it. So once I saw that, I was kind of sold. And let's go into the interior. So this is the rest of the interior. The shoe compartment, remember, this is the holder for the shoe. So it goes right there at the bottom. I really don't like that because I think it's gonna take space from the contents of the bag. It comes with this right here, which is a shoulder holder. This is what you clip on here. You clip this on here as such, put it over your shoulder. So you go like that. See how it opens? Well built, you know, very tactile, very strong, very solid. You can tell it's not gonna break. Put it on there like that, and then this one here goes on this side. And then you're able to carry it over your shoulder. It looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna try to stuff all these things in here, and let's see what it looks like once it bulks up. Maybe this is too much. Let's put something like this in here. Okay, now let's zip it up. See? So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna take this off because we're not using that right now. So this is what it looks like. A very solid bag. Very solid bag. That's what it looks like. All right. Which is one of the reasons why I bought it. Okay. Well, you've seen the bag. It's a very nice bag. I think it would come in very handy because I carry a lot of documents, titles, dealer plates sometimes, registration plates for the rental cars, invoice receipts, documents pertaining to the company when it comes to going to the DMV to register vehicles or to swap out titles for cars, export documents for vehicles leaving the United States to other countries far and near. I think this bag will come in very handy. And even when I want to put in something like a bottle of water, I want to carry a lunch, an extra pack, some snacks, it's enough room to carry all that. And still has a lot of utility if I decide that I want to use this bag to, say, for example, travel on a very short trip, on a brief trip, impromptu trip. I could fit in a pair of jeans or two shirts, I could fit in a pair of shoes and still have room for, say, a nice size toiletry that contains travel size cologne, shampoo, and what have you. I really like it. The motivation behind buying this bag is to just to get away from the whole boyish, high schoolish, juvenile, kindergarten kind of way of doing things. When I see people carrying those bags on their back, even people that work downtown, even with very high quality bags like Tumi and all that stuff, they still look very boyish and childish. It looks like you're going to school, right? Given the fact that most of our classrooms are designed like workplaces, now you have to grow up and you're still carrying your bag on your back. This is me saying no to that. And I want to welcome a different era of my life where I move through society like a man. For those of you, if you feel inspired by this video, don't hesitate to make a move and make the switch from the boy tool to the man tool.